Hello friends, come along and create a cute little ornament with me. This little surface is from the Dollar Tree. I always sand the edges because they seem to be rough most of the time. This paint is called French Macaroon and it is from Paint Pixie Paints. We're going to give that a good dry. You guys, I always do the front and the back of my projects, or always try to. I try to make sure that they are finished. Sometimes I don't quite get there, but most of the time I try to make sure they are finished. So just give it a coat of paint on the back. And then I'm going to take some white and just kind of dust across this very lightly, because I'm going to try to make this match the picture we're putting on here. And this bag came from Walmart. It was 99 cents, you guys. It is a cute little gift bag with the Cardinal on it. I love, love, love all the Cardinal stuff this year. I'm going to put this on here and try to cut this straight. And of course, I never get things straight, you guys. So I decided to do it with the scissors. That looks good to me. So I'm going to add some more white. It wasn't quite white enough. A little too much white. Now I got to take the blue over the top of it. Y'all, I'll tell you. But we just keep brushing, and I'm trying to make that little sun in the sky look a little brighter right there, or the light in the sky. I tried to match that up. I'm putting Elmer's glue on here to begin with. I'm going to go ahead and just glue this down because it is a heavy bag. And then I decide I'm going to go ahead and go around the edges with the Mod Podge, and then I go over the complete thing with the Mod Podge. And then we're going to grab a little bit of clear glitter that just reminds you of like a dusting of snow. I put it all over it. We're going to give that a good dry. I'm using this smaller dry gun because it doesn't blow it around as well. And we're going to put some buffalo check ribbon around this print. This is going to give it that country effect to make it look super cute. I think this will look absolutely adorable in a flock tree with black and white ribbon ran throughout it and pops of red. I think that would be so gorgeous. We're going to cut those edges all down. And then we're going to make us a little bow and put right here at the bottom where we put our two pieces of ribbon coming together. And you'll see one tail looks a little longer than the other. I've already snipped that off. That is not a problem. I've already got that off of there. I noticed it after the video. So we're going to put a little glue on each end of this ribbon and pop it back through those holes. We're also going to use this for our hanger. We're going to put a few knots in here just to make sure that it holds it well. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. You guys, this is such a cute little project. Super easy. There's the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have so much fun doing these videos for you guys. I hope that you will follow if you do not, and share this video out. Have a great day, guys, and thank you for watching.